I will not make the same mistake that you delay. Will not let myself cause my heart so much misery. I will not black the way you did. You felt so hard. I learned the hard way to never leave you that far. Because of you, never take you far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I let you play on the same side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I feel so hard to start. Not only me but everyone around me. Because of you, yeah. I look my way, and it's not too long before we find out. I cannot cry because of now the blackness in your eyes. I'm hard to pay, smile hello every day all my life. My heart can't possible black when it was to start with. Because of you I never take a part from the sidewalk. Because of you I let the players at the side so I don't get hurt. Because of you it's a hard to start. No only me but everyone around me. Because of you I am safe. Watch you die, turn to cry every night in your sleep. I was so young, you should hang around at the time to let me. You never stop for anyone else, you just touch your face. And now I cry in the middle of the night for the same time. Because of you, I never stray too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I let you play on the side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I time my heart starts to forget everything. Because of you, I don't know how to let anyone else see. Because of you, I end my life because it's empty. Because of you I am afraid. Because of you, because of you.